Hello friends, my name is Aditya and I welcome you to TechMin YouTube channel. Today the topic is very interesting. I just want to make you aware that now YouTubers are creating the history. So YouTubers now earning a lot and they are becoming rich. You believe me or not, but few of YouTubers are now billionaires, millionaires, and they are really creating a big difference in the video industry, or you can say in the YouTube industry. So why you should start a YouTube channel in 2020 and how to do it. So in this video I'm gonna tell you what are the main reasons you need to start and why this is the high time to start your own YouTube channel and how you can actually do it or create a YouTube channel. So let me break it down. First I'm gonna discuss the statistics, the facts. Okay, let's start with the Google recent survey. As per the Google recent survey, 86% of vlogs content come from only YouTube. From only YouTube, 86% of vlog content. So you might have seen Flying Beast, many Indian vloggers who are now in trend, and you can see the earnings on Social Blade as well. I will also show you step by step, right? And 86% of YouTubers, or you can say the 86% of YouTubers content is trending actually on Google. Whenever you search on Google anything, it also suggests you in the next line or maybe just after next to next line that this video is trending for this particular keyword or traffic. So that's how you can actually trend on Google as well, where nobody is going to youtube.com. People are searching only for Google. As you're aware, like 80 to 90% people prefer to use google.com as a search console. So when they use the search console as a Google, they actually put their keyword in the Google search console and Google suggests them the YouTube videos, because YouTube is also owned by Google and Google is suggesting them YouTube videos. So that's how you can see the power of video, right? So video is one of the way to get the traffic, to generate the revenue, to make money. You might have seen a lot of big companies are now creating their own YouTube channels. They are creating YouTube videos regularly because now that's the best way to get the traffic from organic sources, which is one of the best source is YouTube, right? So let's discuss the top YouTubers now and their earning. I'm gonna take you to my browser. I will show you in a website, right? Alright, so here we are on my desktop in my browser. I have copied what exactly we need to search. Let me paste it here. So top 10 highest paid YouTubers in India. Let me press enter here. Let's scroll down for the best result. So this is one of the best website I have seen so far for this result, for this keyword, because here we have the latest update on that. That's came on 28th August 2020, right? So let's scroll down. Here you can see, here is the list of highest paid YouTubers in India. I'm just telling you for your motivation. So we are just going to use this website, facts and stats. So the first YouTuber is Amit Badana. You might be aware of Amit Badana. Right now we are searching only for India. So you can see the Indian YouTubers. So here you can see a 20.9 million subscriber and so on, maybe increased now. And the worth, or maybe you can say the net worth of Amit Badana is amount of $5.7 million. So that's really huge, isn't it? And he is the featured YouTuber, global top 10 videos in 2018, right? So the next one is the Technical Guruji. You should be aware of Technical Guruji. You might have seen Technical Guruji in a lot of TV channel ads as well. So Technical Guruji says like here he has a net worth of $5.7 million, where Technical Guruji not only earns from YouTube but also from many different sources. Like he owns his own business. That's what he told in one of the videos, and also few other sources, right? And he sometimes also stays in or lives in Dubai. Let's come below Bhuvan Bam. So Bhuvan Bam is one of the celebrities right now. You might have seen him a few of documentaries, few of advertisement. He is also a good singer, and his earning is 2.8 million USD. That's also huge. Prajakta Kohli, you should have seen Prajakta. So she is also a bit funny, and you can see her worth 2.2 million right, net worth. And then Ashish Chanchalani, 2 millions net worth. Then Carrie Minati, 24.9 million is the subscribers base, and then USD 3.8 million. And then Vivek Bindra. So Vivek Bindra is not popular rich for YouTube, but for other reasons. So he teaches how you can do a business. You can check out his YouTube channel. He gives you a lot of education related to business, how you can start your business, and that's very free actually. And he has some paid courses as well, which are advanced. Then you can move to FactTech. He has grown very fast. This is really an amazing story of FactTech, because Rajesh Kumar revealed him. FactTech actually revealed himself as Rajesh Kumar. He is based out Mumbai. That's what he told in one of his videos, and I think he belongs from Bihar. And then Sandeep Maheshwari, I'm not sure why Sandeep Maheshwari is here in this list, because he, what I've heard, like he doesn't earn any money from YouTube ads, because he doesn't want anyone to be disturbed while watching his videos. He just want them to be connected with the videos throughout. You might have seen, like when you see advertisement in the YouTube, so you just get disconnected, get irritated. Sometimes you just go back and just leave that video, or you can skip it. So that's what he doesn't want this to be happen with his subscribers or watchers, right? And Harsh Beniwal, so he is a blogger, and now we can also see Flying Beast coming up in this list. He is also rocking right now. So that was all about the top YouTubers. I may or may not be correct with the stats, because I'm just following this website on the Google, but I believe like it's 60 to 70% is correct. And if we talk about the earning, it could be above what is mentioned here, because YouTube earning, what is shown here, it may be only for the AdSense earning. So now let's come how you can actually earn from YouTube. So the first thing you can start earning from YouTube from day one is the affiliate marketing. Yeah, you might have seen my affiliate links in the YouTube description, in my videos description, like what camera I use, what mic I use, what green background I use. So I just put those purchasing links, or because I purchased them from Amazon, so I recommend them you to be purchased from Amazon itself. So I have provided those links below in the description. You can go and check it out. So that's one of the way you can make money from day one, even if you don't have any subscriber, right? So the next thing comes, like you can do the promotion. You can just create videos, you can promote applications through your videos, you can create good videos, and then you can promote those applications, right? And it could be an application, it could be a mobile app, it could be a website, it could be a product, it could be anything, right? So you will get paid for just creating videos for the reviews. And I believe like you should create reviews only for the genuine products which you actually like, right? Because you might have seen in my videos I have got few offers, but I never created any videos for fake reviews, because I never use those products. So I don't want to create any video. I'm satisfied with my camera, I'm satisfied with my mic, I'm satisfied with my green background and my laptop. So I have provided those links in the description, and I recommend you to purchase. So that's why I'm providing those affiliate links in the description, right? So that's one thing. And now let's come how you can earn money. So the first thing I told you, like you can earn from affiliate marketing, then promotion, and the third thing is you can earn from Google AdSense. So Google AdSense, like Google will play YouTube ads on your videos, and then you can make the revenue out of it. But it will happen only once you have achieved 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within a year, right? Within a year, like within a year means like when you apply for monetization. When you apply for monetization, say you have applied for monetization today. So today the date is maybe 24th or 25th, whatever it is. So it will be calculated from today, from last 1 year, how many subscribers you have gained. Did you gain 1,000 subscribers? Okay, you are qualified for 1 point. Now let's come to the second point, that is did you qualify for 4000 hours in last year from today? So if you have achieved 4000 watch hours, expect the YouTube advertisement. I mean, like few people actually promote their videos through advertisement, so YouTube doesn't consider those ads as a watch hours. So accept the YouTube ad watch hours. You can say like if you have achieved 4000 watch hours, so yeah, you are qualified. If you are qualified, then yeah, you will be monetized. Also, there are few things which are considered like the niche of your YouTube channel. So I've seen people getting rejected because of niche, because most people just go with a single niche initially with few of the videos. Once they get monetized, they start working on multiple niches in the same YouTube channel. But that's one of the things you might have seen in my videos. I also give the videos on keywords, SEO, digital marketing, and also how you can make money online. And that's my one of the video you can watching for the first time, like how you can actually earn from YouTube and why you need to create a YouTube channel in 2020 and why this is the high time. So that's altogether a different niche, right? So anyways, I'm teaching you, I'm giving you a free education. So I believe this my niche is teaching education. It's not a micro niche, but it's a niche, right? So now let's come to the main topic: how to start a YouTube channel, how you can start a YouTube channel. So there are few things you need to consider. First of all, you need to pick a niche. Niche means the category. On what category you are going to create the videos? Is it going to be educational? If you talk about educational, what exactly you're going to teach on your YouTube videos? So are you going to teach how to do the SEO, how to do the digital marketing, how to do the video editing, designing, how to maybe do something, or maybe how you want to teach maths, science, whatever. So that can come under educational. It could be anything. Maybe you are good in sales and marketing, you can start and teaching people, you can start giving lectures, right? So that's one of the thing. What you have learned so far and you're confident is correct, you can come in front of the camera and then you can start creating videos. So that's your niche, right? And then let's move to how to set up, how to do the setting for SEO, and how to create a YouTube channel description, or maybe the about us description, how to create a channel art, how to create the thumbnails for your videos, how to search for keywords for YouTube videos for your niche. So that's the second step. And the third one is just create your first video and promote it. So how to create a video, how to promote it. So these three things I'm going to tell you in the next video. If you really want me to create videos on this particular topic, how to create a YouTube channel end-to-end, step by step, and how you can optimize the SEO for your YouTube channel, you just comment below. If I get few comments and likes, I will get motivated and I will bring up a new video on that. So that would be end-to-end video on how you can create a YouTube channel, how you can set up just to make it SEO friendly, and how you can create the channel art, everything in free. I mean, you don't need to pay a single penny. You can start creating a YouTube video from your laptop or maybe from a mobile, right? You just comment below, I will bring a video on that. So that was all in this video, my friends. I hope you like this video. If you have liked, please like, share and subscribe. That will motivate me to bring new videos on this niche. So that was all in this video. Thank you.